Restaurants thrive on attention, but most owners don't have time to create content. That's where ShortBeast AI can help. With this tool, you can turn a simple idea, like showing today's special dish or a quick behind the scenes clip, into a polished video in minutes. The AI creates the script, voiceover, and visuals, so you don't need filming gear or editing skills. Imagine a short video showing a restaurant's signature burger with upbeat music and captions that grab attention. Post that on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, and suddenly the restaurant is reaching new customers every day. It's fast, cost effective, and it helps small restaurants stand out online without paying for expensive ad agencies. If you want to create eye-catching videos for restaurants, use my link in the description and start with ShortBeast AI today.